Hey guys, welcome back to Lamelli Armory. Today we're going to be looking at the MidTen Laser Bore Sighter. So if you recently purchased a new red dot for your 9mm pistol or PCC, this is definitely going to be for you. This is a laser bore sighter, so it goes into the chamber of your firearm just like a regular round would, and once it's in there, of course you'll have to put in the batteries, and it's in there, it'll beam a laser toward a target. So you want to go ahead and zero in your red dot to match and line up with the laser wherever it's pointing. Alright guys, so this laser bore sighter is going to come in this clear packaging. Let's take a look inside. So here is a target that you can use. You can tape this up to your wall, your door, and then here is the bore sighter. So this one is for 9mm, so you can use this in your pistols or your PCCs, anything that's chambered in 9mm. It's also going to come with 8 different batteries. So to install the battery, you're just going to remove the rear here by untwisting. And it only takes 2 of these batteries, so it's actually great that it comes with so many extra just for backup. So as soon as you put in the second battery, you're going to notice that the laser turns on. It's a very bright red laser. So here it says 9mm. You can just see the beam, extremely bright. So you can see when you have this in your barrel, you're going to aim that at the target here and then zero in your red dot. You can use the provided target here and the case as a target with a kickstand. So just like that. And then naturally you would have this 10-15 yards out, so you can do it inside your home or outside, whichever you prefer. Then you would grab your bore sighter, and then of course anything chambered in 9mm that you're trying to zero, fit that inside the chamber. Don't release the slide like you normally would. You want to release it nice and slow. And then you would have this resting on something. So you can have like a bag. I know some places sell places where you can put your handgun and have it steady for zeroing shots. But normally you would just have this rest there, and then you would dial in your green, red dot, your optic, and then even your laser. So I actually used one of these for one of my PCCs that had a laser attachment on the side to zero that in as well. And I can say that it's actually gotten me on target, if not very close, with very little tuning. So if you're looking to save a lot of money and time, definitely would recommend picking one of these up and zeroing it and trying it yourself. Then once you finish zeroing your optic or your laser, you can simply reuse the packaging to put it all away. And that's it. And you can go ahead and store this until the next optic or laser that you get. Alright guys, so that was the MidTen Laser Bore Sighter. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any comments or questions, please feel free to leave those down below, and we'll see you on the next one.